Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to make language shop. Log into the backend, go to configuration, then basic settings. Click shop settings and then shops. Now click on add entry. Select language shop from shop type drop down. Fill the details and add virtual URL. Select currency. Select location from localization. Select category and customer group. Now save and go to shop. Refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.